quick video on how to draw an egg shape using a little bit of geometry. First of all, we're going to draw a line that's going to be the width, the widest part of our egg. So I'm going to make mine 8 centimeters, draw a horizontal line. Then we want to get the midpoint of this line, so I'm going to set my pair of compasses to just over halfway. So that's a halfway mark, so I'm just going to set them a bit wider, and then I'm going to make a little arc top, bottom, and repeat that on the other side. Put your point in at the end of the line, and then top and bottom, and now we can join these two lines up. Take the line from almost top and bottom of your piece of paper. So now we have the midpoints all set out. Now we're going to create a circle using this area here as our radius. So set your point to the middle. Set your drawing edge to the edge of that line, and then just draw a circle. Now we're going to create lines that join from this intersection here to this intersection here and goes out to the side, and repeat on the other side. So lining my ruler up, I've got the intersection of the horizontal line and the circle here, the intersection of the vertical line and the circle here, and I'm going to draw a line that bisects those and goes all the way up to the top, and then I'll repeat that on the other side. Now we're going to set our compasses to the diameter of the egg. So using that horizontal line that we drew first of all, put your point in at one end, set your pencil mark to the other end, and now we're just going to draw a line from that intersection here right up to this line that we've just drawn in. And it stops at that line, and then we repeat on the other side, stopping at that line that we've just drawn. And now we set our compasses so that the radius is from this top intersection to the intersection of where the line we've just drawn on that diagonal line is. Like so. And now you just join those 2 points together. And that's it. And you can outline that, rub out all your pencil marks, and there's your egg shape.